Hello students, my name is Shaishov and today we'll be focusing on how to increase the font and change the style of the entire layout of the PyCharm application. So we will be focusing on how to increase the size of the each and of the files written and the name of the font of entire display of the PyCharm and the colors which you can possibly select for the PyCharm. So click on File, go in Settings, then click on Appearance and Behavior, and inside that click on Appearance. Once you see this, you will see the theme. So you can either change to high contrast and you can then hit apply. So it will change to the high contrast. As you can see, it has basically changed to the high contrast. And now I'm going to change to IntelliJ, which is default one. Hit apply. And you will see this is the default PyCharm theme. Or you can just select Dracula, hit apply. So any of the whatever you like, just select that and click apply and then OK. So you can here just change the theme of the PyCharm. Now in order to change the font of the PyCharms, basically do the same thing. Go in the files, on the settings, on the click on appearance. Underneath the appearance, click on appearance and behavior. Click on appearance. Then now you can just increase the size. I'm just doing 20, and you can also change the font. You can keep sans serif and everything. As soon as you apply, you will see the entire application size as well as the font has been changed. So based on your need, you can increase or change the font in PyCharm and click OK. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much. Have a good one.